is kinesiotaping? What are the benefits of using kinesiotaping? How it works? And when all you can use kinesiotape. If you want to understand and learn about this new word as kinesiotape, or maybe you have already heard about it, or even maybe you have used or have seen your physiotherapist using kinesiotape, let's understand what exactly it is and how it works in today's video. So make sure to stay tuned with me till the end. Let's begin. Hello friends, I am physiotherapist Meghna Dave and welcome to this YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is to motivate you to look at the bright side of the health. We try to come up with videos that will show you the possibility, will educate you and inform you related to different health topics and conditions so that you can stay aware and informed about your health itself. Today, we are going to talk about kinesiotape, as I have already shared in the thumbnail and in the intro of the video. So without wasting any due time, let's get started. Friends, kinesiotaping is a technique where a latex-free and then quick drying tape is used in order to manage muscular problems or else muscular impairment. This is the simplest definition that you can understand about kinesiotaping. These tapes which are used in kinesiotaping are high in elasticity and come in different thickness, and based on this thickness and elasticity, the levels of it are determined. Now this taping method is not just a new invention or a new method. It's been used since ages and is being used in multiple clinical settings. It's very popular and commonly used, especially among athletes, among fitness professionals, physiotherapists, chiropractors, and sports coaches. The reason why kinesiotape is so popular is because it gives instant relief, it's easy to use, and they are handy. Let's understand the history how this originated. Kinesiotaping was kinesiotape was developed by a Japanese chiropractor, Dr. Kenzo Case, in 1970s. So as I said, this is not a new concept. It's been very widely used since ages. But yes, day by day, the popularity of this particular tool is increasing. Dr. Kenzo Case came up with this particular tape with the aim or his intention to elevate pain and allow healing of soft tissues. The reason why KT works, or else it makes it different from other regular tapes that you get in market, is its property, its physiological property. Kinesiotapes are manufactured pre-stretched by 15 to 25 and is always applied to a backing paper. It has the ability to be stretched by 120 to 140% of its original length and recoil back to its pre-stretched position after it's been released. It basically mimics the physical quality of skin and is believed to be of same weight and thickness as of epidermis. The kinesiotapes are waterproof and are breathable and can hence be worn easily while doing any exercise or playing a sport or do some day-to-day activity. Even since they are waterproof, people can wear kinesiotape and then do their swimming activity. The reason why kinesiotapes are beneficial is because of its physiological benefits. It provides proprioceptive facilitation to the muscles. It manages to reduce muscle fatigue. It facilitates the muscle to do the right movement in right direction. It helps in reducing muscle soreness or muscle fever. It's very helpful in achieving pain relief. It helps in improving lymphatic drainage and is also helpful in reducing edema or swelling. So how does kinesiotape basically work? So kinesiotape can be used in many ways and in many settings. And based on the goal with which the kinesiotape is used varies. As I said, there are multiple benefits of this kinesiotape. And that's why it's a versatile, and hence the type of application determines the type of outcome. When a therapist applies a tape which is unstretched over a stretched skin or a stretched muscle, or else above an injured muscle, it will cause convolution. You can also call it as twisting or coiling, which will lift the skin from the pre-injured position. Now this convolution will encourage regeneration of the injured tissue by increasing the intercellular space. And thus, this elevation of interspatial space will help in reducing or is elevation of interstitial pressure, which mostly is seen during swelling post-injury. It's been also theorized that kinesiotaping helps in improving lymphatic drainage, reducing swelling, allowing increase in blood flow to the area where it has been applied, and thus helps in reducing pain. But there are certain contraindications of using this kinesiotape. Few contraindications which I'm going to share here are: if there is malignancy or presence of cancer at that time, use of kinesiotape should be avoided. If the skin has got some sort of infection at that time also, kinesiotape should not be applied. If there are any kind of open wounds at that time also, kinesiotape are not allowed to be applied. And even if a person is having some sort of deep venous thrombosis issue where there is circulation issues present, at that time also kinesiotape cannot be applied. So now the question arises, who can use kinesiotape? As I've already mentioned, physiotherapists, chiropractors, sports coaches, athletes, wellness trainer, fitness trainer, they use kinesiotape very often. But if you learn it in the right way, even you can use kinesiotape yourself. But again, the knowledge is the key here. You should know the right use of it. So if you are having any kind of muscle injury, or else you are prone to develop muscle tightness, muscle stiffness, muscle soreness, then kinesiotape can be of your help. Make sure that if you are an athlete and you want to use kinesiotape while doing your games, or else while playing your sport, or else while doing your workouts, take help of a physiotherapist who is trained in using kinesiotaping to learn the right method of using it. It's important that you know your condition well. It's important that you know the goal with which you are applying this kinesiotape, and you also know the technique with which it has to be applied. Hence, it's super important that never try to apply kinesiotape yourself at first place. Take help of a therapist under the supervision, learn it, and then only apply. So with this video, I tried to give you a small understanding about kinesiotape. This video was presented by Galena Healthcare Private Limited, where I've shared some of the links for this product, and you can purchase these kinesiotape online over Amazon or as Flipkart. Make sure to check the links in the description box below. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.